Urhobo, you're welcome to this lesson, and this lesson is on Urhobo intonation. Let's see how intonation can change the meaning of the word you have pronounced. Let's take a look at the simple word A, that is the letter E without any dot on it. Say, for example, your mommy is, or your mother, or your mommy, yeah, is giving an instruction that's, or asks you a question, for instance, and says, Wolwe munale. Wolwe munale could mean, have you done the thing? Or have you cooked the food? Or have you prepared the food? Depending on the context. And the answer could be A, mirulole. Take note of the word A. Now look at it, A, mirulole. In this case, you are saying, yes, I have done it. Yes, I have prepared it. Do you get it? Or, yes, I have cooked it, depending on the context. Now, maybe as your mom is going away, maybe at the gate or as about leaving, and he says that, Osewedari, womimwe munawoko. That is, when your father comes, give him the food or present the food to him or give him the thing. Your answer will not be A anymore. It will be A. Osewedari, womimwe munawoko. A, not A. A in this context or at this point is no more yes, but rather you're saying all right, okay. Can you say that? Okay, let's take a look at it again. Wochere munale? A, michere munale. Also wedare wumimwe munawoke? A, michemo woke. That is, wochere munale? A, michere munale. Have you prepared the food? Yes, I have prepared the food or I've cooked the food. Osewedare womimwe munawoko. A, that is, when the father comes, give him the food. A, yes. A, michemu woke. Okay, I'll give him the food. All right, that's all for today's lesson on intonation. Give me like, share, and subscribe. Ado.